Topping and surface again. Same old faces, same old when. Pocket full of Mary later plans. Clock on the wall, in the hands. Folded hopes in a second-hand case. Left my worries in a familiar place. When the road feels narrow and days feel gray, the West starts calling my name. Where the rain feels green on your skin, and nobody asks where you've been. Run, run, run away to Galway Bay, to Galway Bay. Run, run, run away to Galway Bay. Hey, 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 west is the way, all the way to Galway Bay. Saw my reflection by the riverside. Dreams brought back but they wouldn't hide. Some tough keep score of what you lack. The West don't care, it takes you back. Back from fiddles, a borrowed grin. Laughed aloud, never alone. If I'm lost, okay. With the tide and the port of the day. Where the road runs out at the sea, and your name sounds easy to be. Run, run, run away to Galway Bay, to Galway Bay. Run, run, run away to Galway Bay. Hey, 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 west is the way, on the way to Galway Bay. No promises written in stone, no mat, no crown, no throne. Just a room with a window wide, and a chance that feels alive. Run, run, run away to Galway Bay, to Galway Bay. Run, run, run away to Galway Bay, to Galway Bay. Run, run, run away to Galway Bay. Hey, hey, west is the way, all the way to Galway Bay. If you're asking where I stay, I ran west to Galway Bay.
This dance is called Run Away to Galway Bay, choreographed by Fowler. It's a 48 count, 4-wall, improve level line dance. One tag occurs twice in this dance. Section 1, starting with right foot, right Dorothy, right diagonal, step, lock step, heel switches, left foot, heel and, left Dorothy, left diagonal, left foot, step, lock step, heel switches, right foot, heel and, Section 2, right foot, rock forward, recover, shuffle half turn to your right, quarter turn right, side together, quarter turn right, forward, facing 6, quarter turn right, side rock, recover, cross shuffle, facing 9. Section 3, switch steps. Point and, heel and, touch, back, heel together, touch. Section 4, walk back, left, right, left foot, coaster step, walk around, half turn to your left, stepping, right, left, Now you're facing 3 o'clock. Section 5, with optional arms. Right foot, large step. Side hold, look to the left, extend left arm to the left side, right arm across your chest, fingers outstretched. Both side, heel switches, left foot, heel and, clap. Last section, left foot, long step with optional arms. Side hold, Look to the right. Extend right arm to the right side. Left arm across your chest. Fingers outstretched. Both side. Heel switches. Right foot. Heel and heel and heel. Clap, clap. Now you face in 3 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 hold 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. In the stance, there's a 16 count tag. After wall 2 facing 6, after wall 4 facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you the tag facing 12 o'clock. Section 1 of the tag is section 1 of the dance. Right Dorothy. Step, lock step, heel and heel and. Left Dorothy. Step, lock step, heel and heel and. Section 2, right foot. Rock forward, recover. Shuffle half turn to your right. Step forward, pivot half turn right, facing 12. Run forward, left, right, left. With counts for the tag. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.